This is a 19.5 horsepower, 46-inch Craftsman mower, which I believe is actually an 18 horse Briggs and Stratton engine. As you can see, I've already removed a couple of the covers and most of the screws. This one holds the cable on, etc., etc. There's 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and the dipstick to remove. You got 2 on the side here. I removed this side cover completely. After that, this comes off and this comes off. Now, the problem is that this is an aluminum gear. So Briggs and Stratton was nice enough to make this a nylon gear. That's why we got to replace it. But you'll see, yep, there is somewhere back there, right there, a bolt. One of the 2 bolts. If you don't feel like pressing this dang thing off, you're going to end up taking that bolt off with a regular open-end wrench. There is enough space up inside this that's concave to get that bolt in there and slide the starter off. As for the starter, I got this thing from Briggs. I got this factory Briggs and Stratton starter, supposedly from Amazon, and it has a Made in CA sticker applied over the Made in CN sticker. I wonder if it was made in China or made in Canada, or maybe made in Vietnam, and I got scammed thinking it was an original. Take a look at that thing. Oh, look, it comes with a nut. Well, it's got the logo on it. I'll tell you what, I'll probably end up having to start it tomorrow, because even though I have a bunch of screws, I don't know exactly where I have a screw to fit that battery terminal. I have to dig through my drawers. So I did get that back bolt. My only concern now is that by the time I need to mow a second time, my starter warranty will probably be gone. This is the end of the summer, and I just need to get one more mow in. Found a bolt for the battery. It was a 1/4 inch. Thought it'd be 6mm, but I was wrong. Checked the other side to be sure. Original bolt was too rusty to check it. That's what the starter gear looks like after the first start.